Hello and welcome. If you go to your favorite search engine and you type in the word Office, you're typically going to come up with search results. In particular, you will see results for Office 365. There may be other search results that you may see, but as of the recording of this video, this result will show. If you go ahead and click that link, you're going to be brought to an area, and one of the things that you will see is that the Office app is becoming the new Microsoft 365 app. Now, this transition may have already happened by the time you're watching this video, and this site may look different if that transition has been made. If you scroll down, you're going to see that there is a free and premium version of what's called Microsoft 365. You'll be given an allotment of space on the Microsoft server, and you can be given more if you choose to go premium and make a regular payment. You're going to see that there is a home version, there's a version for organizations, and there is a version for educators. What we're going to do now is we're going to click on this button that says Buy Now. You're going to see options for personal use. You're also going to see options for business use. Business use will give you access to web and mobile services as well as desktop applications depending on which version you intend to make payment for. And for the sake of this video and this part of the course, we're going to sign up for the free version of Microsoft 365. Now, if you don't have a Microsoft account, you will need to create one here in this area. And because we've already gone through the account creation process, we're going to click Sign In, and we're going to sign in to Microsoft 365. And we are now going to click Next. What you will now see are the applications that will be available to you. You will be able then to purchase Microsoft 365 here at this button. You can also install the applications. You are also going to see how much space that you have available with the free version here on this home page. And we will start the process in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.